Welcome to Vansik Maths. Today we look at a question on linear programming. This topic is very crucial in Kcse mathematics, and also it has its foundation. The topic is in form 2 linear inequalities, so you need to be conversant with that area also. So the question, we have a company is considering installing two types of machines, A and B. The information about each type of machine is given in the table below. Machine A has requires 2 operators, and machine B requires 5 operators, and the floor space required by machine A is 5, for machine B is 8. Daily profit generated by machine A is 1500 and machine B is 2500. The company decided to install X machines of type A and Y machines of type B. So for type A, they installed X machines. For type B, they installed Y number of machines. So they are saying that write down the inequalities that express the following conditions. The number of operators available is 40. So this means that you can only have 40 operators. The maximum that you can have is 40. The maximum that you can have. So it means here we go with at most we can have 40, and the number of operators, this one, if you have X machines and each machine requires 2 operators, so the total number of operators will be 2 times X, then again 5 times Y. So it means 2x plus 5y, it will be less than or equal to 40. Then the floor space available is 80. So the at most, again, the maximum that you can have is 80. So again here we have at most. So if x requires 5 meters squared, then y requires 8. So total floor space it will be 5x plus 8y, which will be less than or equal to 80. Then the company is to install not less than 3 type of A machine, not less than 3 for type A. So A is X, X machines, not less than, it means greater than or equal to 3. So the number of type A machines should be greater than or equal to 3. Then the number of type B machines must be more than a third the number of type A. So type B machine, which is Y, more than, so it means greater than, more than a third type A, which is X. So you have another inequality there. Then on the grid provided, draw the inequalities in part A above and shade the unwanted region. So I will not do an accurate drawing, but I will guide you on how you can do such question. So first of all, here you have this, the first inequality. You write it in form of a linear equation. So it will be 2x plus 5y is equals to 40. Remove the inequality sign. So to make work easier, find the x and y intercept. When x is 0, it will be 2 times 0, then 5y is equals to 40, so y becomes 8. Then again, another intercept when y is 0 becomes 2x is equals to 40, so your x is equals to 20, like that. So I have that equation. Another equation we have is this one. We have 5x plus 8y is equals to 80. find the x and y intercept. When x is 0, so you'll have 0, 8y is equals to 80, so y will be 10. And again, when y is 0, you'll have 5x is equals to 80, so your x will be now 16. Then this other one, we have this one complete. Then we have the line x is equals to 3, and again we have this line, the line y is equals to third x. So here you can find two values again, x and y intercept. When when x is 0, so y is equals to third times 0, which is 0. Then when x is 3, so y will be a third times 3, which is 1. So if you have those 2 points, you're good to go. So looking at the intercepts, here you have the highest x-intercept, the highest is 20. Here you have 16. So that one will guide you. Y-intercept, here we have 10, here we have 8. So when you are drawing now on the y, if you have 2, 4, 6, 8, then have 10. Then on the x-intercept, have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, up to 20. So you have to go all the way, but now for your case you'll be using accurate scale drawing. Mine, I'm just doing a rough sketch. So you plot this line 0, 8. So you have 0, 8 and 20, 0. 0, 8 it is here, sorry. Then 20, 0 it is here. So if you have this sign or this sign, this one is continuous line. So a continuous straight line, you have to draw that. Now you'll have to test. You'll have to test using this point of origin. If you replace here 0, then plus 0 is less than or equal to 40. That one is correct. It means this one is the correct side. So you shade the unwanted, this side, shade the unwanted part. Then you can label this one is 2x plus 5y is equals to 40. And again we go to this equation. We have 0, 10, 0, 10 here, and we have 16, 0 here. So again, due to the inequality which was less than or equal to, you'll have a continuous line. So again, a continuous line from here to here. So you have 5x plus 8y is equals to 80. So we test this side. So using this point 0, 0, so you can have 0 plus 0. When you replace x and y with 0, it will be less than or equal to 80. So this part is the wanted part, so you shade the unwanted, this other side. Shade this other side. So again we come to the line x is equals to 3. It is at this point where the value of x is equals to 3. And due to the sign greater than or equal to, again that one will be a continuous line. So we have this line here. So x equals to 3. So x greater than or equal to 3. That one means the values which are greater than 3, it is this side. So unwanted part is on this other side. So you shade this other part. Then you come to this other line, y is equals to a third x. So you have 0, 0 here. Then you have 3, 1 here. So you have y is equals to a third x. So you can test using the equality y is greater than a third x. So you can choose any value of x and y which is on either side of this line. So this line, I have this line, so I can pick this point here, 10 0, which is on this side of the line. So 10 0, your x is 10, so you have 0 is greater than this one, a third times 10, which is approximately 3. So 0 is greater than 3. Is it true or false? It means it is false. 0 is not greater than 3. So we shade the side which is false. So the side. So we have this region. So you have the region which satisfies the inequality there.